Welcome to Sleep Stories with Rosie. My name is Rosie Day, and I've created this channel to bring you soothing sleep stories inspired by beautiful places around the world. I release new videos regularly, so subscribe for a more restful sleep every night, and let me know in the comments where you'd like us to travel to next. Tonight's story takes us to beautiful Vietnam. Towards the north of the country, parallel in latitude to Hanoi, lies Halong Bay. Our story begins amidst its serene expanse, where you awaken on a traditional sleeper boat, nestled amongst towering limestone formations. As our narrative unfolds, we'll embark on a dreamy kayak ride, navigating the bay's hidden mysteries and captivating vistas. This tale will guide you through moments of reflection and awe, dancing between nature's grandeur and the intimate joys of a journey on water. So, take a deep breath, begin to relax, and look forward to falling easily into a restful sleep.
The early morning light streams through the wooden blinds of your traditional sleeper boat, casting a warm golden hue over your room. The soft, rhythmic rocking of the boat gently awakens you, coaxing you into a state of gentle wakefulness. Stretching out beneath the soft cotton sheets, you take a moment to recollect the previous day's events. Your journey to the northeastern reaches of Vietnam via a traditional style wooden boat. The boat ride so far has taken you through stretches of scenic landscapes, each painting a different shade of Vietnam's rich culture and heritage. Now, where the land meets the water of the Gulf of Tonkin, lies a dreamscape that seems to have been conjured by the gods themselves. Halong Bay. Here, the world takes on an ethereal hue, as if you've stumbled upon a forgotten corner of the earth, preserved in time and shrouded in myths. Limestone pillars, thousands in number, rise majestically from the calm emerald waters, their ancient forms sculpted by time and elements. Watch over the bay like sentinels of an old age kingdom. Some are blanketed with dense forests, while others present sheer cliffs, each telling tales of millennia gone by. Your previous evening was spent lounging on the deck of the boat, watching the sun slowly dip below the horizon, its warmth replaced by the cool embrace of the evening breeze. A feast of freshly caught fish was prepared by the onboard chef, each of many dishes a testament to the rich culinary traditions of Vietnam. Now, as you lay in bed, the memories of the previous day bring a smile to your lips. You feel a sense of gratitude, both for the beauty that surrounds you and the promise of this day ahead of you. Sitting up, you open the wooden blinds, revealing the magnificent view outside. The bay is dotted with countless limestone islets, each more unique than the last. The water looks calm, reflecting the clear blue sky above it, occasionally disturbed by the gentle ripples created by a passing fisherman's boat. Today's adventure is a kayaking trip around and within Halong Bay. You slide your feet into slippers laid out by your bed and creak your cabin door wide to see the view in full splendor. Stepping onto an outside balcony, the boat gently rocks. Each step at a time, you savor the calmness of this morning and continue to arise from your slumber. Arriving at the wide deck of the boat, you see fresh food prepared, breakfast awaiting your arrival. Taking a seat, you unveil a breakfast palette of orchard treasures. Mangosteens with their sweet tart segments lie next to the caramel sweetness of sapodilla. Vibrant dragon fruits stand in contrast to the refreshing segments of pomelo, while the unique blend of soursop's flavors dance amidst the juicy wedges of red watermelon. Each bite transports you through sun-kissed fields and the lush orchards that grew them, harmoniously accompanied by the delicate notes of freshly brewed Vietnamese coffee, ensures a serene and flavorful awakening. Pleasantly full, a sensation of gentle satisfaction, your morning hunger quelled but not overpowered. That comforting weight in your stomach prepares you for the day, and you make your way to the kayak docking area to begin your gentle water amble around the bay. Sliding into the kayak, you feel the coolness of the water beneath you, its touch soothing and invigorating at the same time. Still early, it is mostly quiet around you, as many remaining sleeping in their hushed cabins. With a firm foot, you push off from the dock, paddling gently, and with a deep breath, you set off towards the islets, each stroke taking you deeper into the serene beauty of the bay. The rhythmic motion of kayaking, combined with the calming surroundings, creates an almost meditative experience. As you paddle through the emerald waters of Halong Bay, those iconic limestone casts rise majestically around you, dwarfing your kayak. These ancient formations hide secrets of caves and grottos. Caves' interiors are veiled in darkness and adorned with intricate stalactites and stalagmites. Dark but glistening, you wonder about the depths of within. Moving further through the waters, you spot fishing villages. You guide closer by to see the rhythm of daily life begin to unfold there. Children's laughter echoes over the water. Fishermen tend to their nets, and floating homes shimmer with the soft glow of lanterns lit to start the day long before others were awake. Moving past, you look down. The clear waters below offer fleeting glimpses of diverse marine life, from darting fish to the gentle sway of jellyfish. Tucked between the towering casts, secluded sandy coves beckon, their tranquility only disturbed by the soft lapping of the waves. Whispers of a mystical mist flirt with the bay, rendering it ethereal, with silhouettes of peaks emerging and disappearing, but clearing as the sun rises further and ultimately wins against the mist. Venturing further around the bay, you discover a hidden lagoon, its entrance guarded by towering limestone walls. Paddling inside, you're greeted by a sight straight out of a fairy tale. The water here is crystal clear, its surface reflecting the myriad shades of green and blue from the trees and the sky above. Schools of colourful fish dart around, their movement creating intricate patterns in the water. Birds chirp from the trees above, their melodies resonating with the soft lapping of the water against the kayak. You feel a deep sense of calm and relaxation. The worries and stresses of daily life, so far away, seem to melt, replaced by a profound sense of peace and contentment. After what feels like hours, but could have been far less, you head back to the sleeper boat. The return journey is just as enchanting. Back on the boat, you take a moment to soak in the beauty that surrounds you. This day is nothing short of magical, filled with moments of wonder and serenity. As night falls later that day, you lay in bed, listening to the gentle lullaby of the waves, your heart filled with gratitude and joy for the opportunity that this trip afforded you. You drift off to sleep, dreams filled with the mesmerizing beauty of Halong Bay, and plans for what your next day on the water might have in store for you.
That's all for now. Thank you for listening to tonight's episode. We release videos regularly, so subscribe to never miss a restful night's sleep. I'll see you back here tomorrow night for another sleep story with Rosie. Good night.